If you want to post a review in Steam, whether it's to share your honest opinion, help other players, or just leave feedback on a game you've been enjoying, this video will walk you through the process step by step. And if this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open Steam and make sure you're signed in to the account that owns the game you want to review. This is important because Steam only allows reviews from users who actually own the game and have played it. So if you haven't purchased or played the game on your account yet, you won't be able to leave a review. Now, there are two main ways to post a review in Steam. The first way is through your library, and the second way is through the game's store page. Let's start with the library method, because it's usually the fastest if you already own the game. From Steam, go to your library and find the game you want to review. Click on the game to open its page. In the main panel, look for the section where Steam shows the game details, activity feed, or community content. Depending on the layout, the Write a Review button may appear in the center panel or slightly over on the right-hand side. Once you see it, click Write a Review. After clicking it, Steam will open the review box for that game. Here, you can type your review in your own words. Try to keep it clear, constructive, and relevant to the game experience. You can mention what you liked, what you didn't like, performance issues, gameplay mechanics, story quality, or anything else that would help other players make a decision. Steam may also ask you to choose whether your recommendation is positive or negative. Select the option that best matches your experience. If you're writing a review based on genuine playtime and honest feedback, that's always the best approach. If you receive the game for free, Steam also gives you the option to disclose that. You can check the box that says the product was received for free, which helps keep your review transparent. Once your review is written and you've selected the proper options, scroll down and submit it. After that, your review will be posted to the game's Steam community page. Now let's go over the second method, which is using the store page. This is useful if you're already browsing the game on Steam and want to leave feedback directly from there. Open the game's store page in Steam. Once the page loads, scroll to the section where you can see community reviews. Just above that section, you should see a button that says Write a Review for, followed by the game's name. Click that button to open the review editor. Just like before, type your review, choose your recommendation, and mention if the game was received for free if needed. Then submit the review when you're finished. One very useful thing to know is that you can edit or delete your review later at any time. If you want to change your opinion, correct a typo, or remove the review completely, just return to the same review box on the store page. Steam makes it easy to update your post whenever you need to. Also, if you're wondering what kind of review Steam wants, the best reviews are usually honest, specific, and helpful. Instead of just writing one word like amazing or bad, it's better to explain why. That helps other users understand your experience and makes your review more useful to the community. So to quickly recap, make sure you own and have played the game, go to the library or the store page, click Write a Review, enter your feedback, disclose if the game was free, and submit it. That's all there is to it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more simple Steam tutorials and gaming guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.